So before we start actually doing the dash vault, we have to get comfortable running up to the object and picking a leg that we want to jump off of. So I jump off my right, and I use my left knee as a knee drive to get over the object. The dash vault is more of like kind of jumping over it and tapping the object for more speed, and less of like a normal Kong where you would dive onto it and then have your weight onto it. So it's kind of like reverse. The weight is kind of at the end of the movement. So I like to start kind of like as a progression. When I see an obstacle, I like to run up to it, pick the knee that I like to lunge off of, and just see if I can make it on top of the obstacle. And then after that, what's really important is making sure I can get over the obstacle. If I can jump over the obstacle with a knee drive, then I know that I'll be able to extend my hips and put my arms out to finish the full dash. We're gonna all do the progression. We're gonna pick a leg we want to jump off of, and use the other knee to knee drive, and see if we can jump on top and land on it. Kind of like that.
Nice. Good. Go, 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 guys. One after another. Come on. Go. Once you get that power and you're getting up on top of the obstacle, that's good, because that's the power you're going to need. Then what you're going to want to do is try to sit onto the obstacle. So when I knee drive this time, one leg's going to come up, I'm going to just sit. So it's just, you can even just walk up to it, knee drive, and just sit. And then keep trying that. So you're here, get a good solid plant, knee drive, sit, and then once you do it more and more, you just get more speed through. Nice. Go. One after another. Someone should be going. Go. This should be moving. Very good.
So the next progression, guys, is after you're able to go up to it and sit on your butt, get your hands ready to come down. So you're gonna wanna start landing on your butt with your hands. After that, you're gonna wanna start to clear the obstacle. See how my hips kind of shot out there? You kind of wanna start to do that next. And then after, you wanna plant your hands down so that you don't hit the object. It's okay if the object rolls over like that. That's a progression. Use your hands to push you away from it after clearing it.
Whoa. All right, guys, go for it. Go. Oh!
Big boy. Ooh. There's one. Now see the other. So, go check out my SoundCloud. It's ALDRMAN, and it's Older Man. Go check it out. I rap on there. New album released today. Don't judge me.
Check them out, guys.
Oh, it's lit.
Try that. Vault out, but be safe. Don't go doing it outside, trying it, you know. Try to go to a gym where you have instructors who can show you how to break it down. Peace. You want to do something, Kobe? Oh!